In the heart of Silicon Valley, Leo, a young and ambitious entrepreneur, navigated the complex world of business with a unique perspective. He was deeply influenced by the societal norms and expectations that seemed to dictate the rules of success in business. One evening, while browsing through social media, Leo stumbled upon a video that articulated these unwritten rules. The morally compromised succeed without the need for wealth, the capable often act without shame, and those without capability cling to their dignity. Meanwhile, those who prioritize their reputation above all else tend to lose it, whereas the shameless appear to gain respect. Traditional bosses, adhering to old-school ethics, often fail to make significant impacts. True success, it seems, demands a certain ruthlessness. This message resonated with Leo, who had always strived to balance his ethical values with the demands of a fiercely competitive business environment. He witnessed firsthand how cutthroat tactics often overshadowed integrity and respect, leaving little room for those who played by the rules. Leo faced a crossroads. To succeed, was it necessary to abandon his principles? Could he make his mark without succumbing to the pressure of adopting an aggressive, almost unscrupulous business strategy? Instead of yielding to these pressures, Leo chose to forge his own path. He was determined to prove that success could be achieved with integrity. He focused on building a company culture that valued innovation, respect, and ethical. Leo invested in his team, encouraging creativity and collaboration, and ensuring that every stakeholder was treated with dignity and fairness. Against all odds, Leo's approach began to yield results. His startup not only survived a fierce competition, but also began to thrive, carving out a niche for itself. Leo's success story spread, inspiring others in the business world. He demonstrated that it was possible to succeed without sacrificing one's morals and values. His journey showed that integrity, coupled with innovation and a genuine respect for people, could lead to not just success, but a legacy that redefines the norms of business success.